Maya
Martin? Yucky, yucky. What are you guys doing here?
The last of the cake. The birthday cake. This is the longest birthday celebration ever. A month. Yeah, that's fun.
That's fun.
Maya? I guess you guys ate everything you possibly can. Till you can't eat no more.
Martin has blue in his hair.
I have blue.
Huh?
I have blue.
You have blue in your mouth and blue in your hair.
Yeah.
Okay, let's shower.
What's that? Let's do
Yeah, no, Maya, sit still, sit still.
it.